Hi everyone, my name's Amelia Schrader and I'm the Executive Director for Young Audiences of Western New York, and I'm excited to share with you today our Spring into Creativity event. We're really excited to be able to showcase our teaching artists, the programs that we offer, and the really amazing impact the arts has on education and child development. So today I'm here to feature our Indian Heritage Box, where we're going to be working with teaching artist Akruti of Kulture Khazana, and we have some amazing things in our kits to show you today. So I'm going to bring this one over here, set it next to me. And this kit is really special because it actually comes with activities for adults on one day and kids on the other day. So I'm going to start by showing you what the kids are going to be doing with Akruti. And one of the things they're getting is this unbelievably beautiful floor puzzle. Now this was actually designed by Akruti, which is really incredible. And it is a giant 32-inch across floor puzzle that the kids will be able to get and do with our teaching artists and show off. The kids are also going to be getting some colored pencils as well as their own mandalas to color. So they're gonna have the big floor puzzle one, they're gonna have the smaller one here, and then while they're with Akruti, we couldn't fit this in a box, but they're also gonna be learning some dance steps for Bollywood dance as part of this program. So we're really excited for kids to be able to learn a little bit more about another culture and learn some of the traditions and heritages. Now, we also have in this box an activity for grown-ups, so that will be the additional night of the program. And of course, for our grown-ups, we have some wine for each of our grown-ups to share while they're making. And then what Akruti is going to be doing is she's actually going to be taking some simple ingredients, flour, olive oil, and then at home you'll gather some water. And she is going to be walking you through how to make your own roti, which is a type of Indian flatbread. I've had it myself. It's absolutely phenomenal. And it's a really simple, easy recipe. She's gonna work with you guys, tell a little bit about the cultural importance of this bread and show you how to make it so you can enjoy it over and over again with your family. In order to purchase this kit from us, you can go right to our website, www.yawny.org, and click on the link for Spring into Creativity to enjoy this with us. We hope to see you soon. Thanks.